I would also like to talk about the despicable events in Uganda. Plaid Cymru, of course, has been proud to work with Welsh Government on the LGBTQ+ action plan to make Wales the most LGBTQ+ friendly nation in Europe. But the plan also commits, of course, to just demonstrate Wales's international duty to show leadership on equality. People who identify in Uganda, as we've heard now, risk life in prison and could be given the death penalty in some cases after the Parliament passed that new bill last week. The bill is being described as one of the toughest pieces of anti-gay legislation in Africa. As well as making identifying as gay illegal for the first time, friends, families and members of the community would have a duty to report individuals in same-sex relationships to the authorities. Amnesty has said that deeply repressive legislation will institutionalise discrimination, hatred and prejudice against LGBTQ+ people and block the legitimate work of civil society, public health professionals and community leaders. We know, of course, and have just discussed the many links with Uganda through the Wales for Africa programme that the Welsh Government has, working in partnership on various projects and programmes. So, Minister, how is the Welsh Government going to make sure that those engaged in those projects who may be at serious risk from this hideous legislation are protected? How are we going to make them safe? And how are you going to ensure the Wales for Africa programme, more generally, is aligned with the international commitments in the action plan?